Welcome to the 5-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom, 333 Macintosh Drive, Mars, Pennsylvania, located in Pine Township, Allegheny County. This beautiful provincial brick home is located in the prestigious Woodside Estates within the Pine Richland School District. The stunning entryway showcases the first level's hardwood floors and the beautiful staircase leading to the second story. Your eye is immediately drawn to the beautiful formal dining room, which features views to the front lawn and a tiled ceiling. Additionally, from the entryway, you have the library, which features floor-to-ceiling judges paneling, built-in shelving, and features one of the many independent zones of the house-wide Bose music system. The first floor kitchen features maple cabinetry, granite countertops, a 48-inch wide Sub-Zero refrigerator-freezer combo, double convection Wolf brand ovens, and a custom-installed Bosch dishwasher. The kitchen also features a Wolf 6-burner high-capacity gas range, complete with an oil-rubbed bronze pot filler. The island houses a food preparation sink, a sharp microwave oven, and plenty of storage for your recipes and cookbooks. The breakfast nook offers 3 beautiful views overlooking the trees into the rest of Woodside Estates. An open floor plan provides clean views into the 2-story great room that showcases a beautiful floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace and balcony views from the second floor. The first floor half bath is the perfect spot to powder your nose. Adjacent to the kitchen is the walk-in pantry and a dry bar complete with wine cooler. The spacious 3-car garage opens to a large mudroom with locker-style cubbies and plenty of space for winter coats and boots. The staircase leading up to the second floor opens to a wide hallway with access to the bedrooms and a balcony view into the great room. The master bedroom comes complete with built-in bookcases and a perfect sitting area to allow for a comfy Sunday afternoon. Take the private hallway to his and her walk-in closets, and then to the master bath, complete with dual sinks, a whirlpool tub, luxurious shower with ceiling-mounted rain-style showerhead, and a wall-mounted television. The laundry room is tucked away on the second floor and provides a convenient space for folding and ironing without having to manage the staircase. The first upstairs bedroom features a full private bathroom and a walk-in closet. The second and third bedrooms share a spacious pass-through bathroom, which also has access to the hallway. The spacious, finished basement features a hidden temperature-controlled wine cellar, a wet bar, a 5.1 Bose sound system, beautiful recessed lighting, a full bathroom, and a bonus room that can serve as a second office, a home gym, or that 5th bedroom. The basement also features walkout access to the spacious backyard. elevated deck looks west and is sure to provide impressive sunsets while you grill and entertain. If you would like more information or to schedule a tour of 333 Macintosh Drive, please visit www.howardhanna.com or call Geoff Smathers at 412-491-5333.